My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing you another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so I am back in town, and I'm back doing what y'all love for me to do, and that is these early sneaker reviews. So, definitely looking forward to this shoe. I actually forgot all about this sneaker until I got the phone call like, yo, got him in. You want to come look? You know, show your subscribers, you know, the whole Tune squad this first look at him. I said, yeah, I'll be on my way right now. So that's where I'm about to go right now. Give y'all this first early look. Y'all already know what the shoe is. Y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all see the title and everything like that. So it's no surprise, but you know. All right, let me get up to the spot. Then we're going to give y'all a little review. Then we'll come back home and give y'all some detailed information about the shoe. So stay tuned for that. I'll be right back. Okay. You got the standard Kobe box. Scales all over it. Kobe signature in gold on the center. All right, let's flip this around. See the Kobe logo right there. Kobe 6 Protro, total orange, metallic silver, size 9.5. This is not my actual size. I'm actually a size 9, but 9.5 is not that bad either. So this is a personal pair. See the little Kobe paper right there with the logo all over it. Let's get these shoes out the way. Get this white paper out the way. They always double wrap these shoes. I don't know why, but all right, put this up. I love the scales on the box. Something about that. I love the scales on the box. All right, set this up. Boom. All right, 1, 2. Okay, all right. Without further ado, we got the Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange. Boom. Okay, we got the Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange. Right off back, this orange is beautiful. Look at them scales. Got that silver, metallic silver Nike swoosh on the side. Nike Zoom right there on the midsole. Look at that. The Kobe signature on the back. Oh, almost dropped it. Got the Kobe logo right there on the tongue and metallic silver also. Look at these scales, man. Look how that orange just pop out on this shoe. I just love this color. This bright crimson orange. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Orange on the insole also and on midsole. It's just an all orange shoe. Got the carbon fiber underneath right there, as you can see. Translucent bottom also. This is just a dope shoe. This might be the thumbnail right here. Should I do the thumbnail like this? I think I might have made the thumbnail. Oh, almost dropped it again. But yo, this is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I don't really got too much to say because it's not too much details about it. You know, Kobe shoes are pretty straight to the point. I just wanted y'all to get this first look at this shoe. What y'all think about this though? Cop or drop for y'all? 100% a cop for me. But let's get back to you guys some information. Woo! Okay, back home. Hope y'all enjoyed that detailed look at the Kobe. What are they? Kobe 8s? What are they again? I forgot. Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. Love the just the vibrant, the color, how it just pops. That orange pops. Can't wait to get them in the hands. But all right, gonna give you some information like I always do, some detailed information. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It's gonna be up. You can read along with me. 2, 1 should be up right now. All right, Nike Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange releases July 2025. All right. Nike Basketball celebrates Kobe Bryant's legacy with the Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange scheduled for a summer 2025 release. This bold colorway blends top-tier performance with striking style, making it perfect for both court and casual wear. Now, but if you ask, hold on, I really need to put my phone somewhere because my arm is like killing me just holding it. But anyway, if you ask anybody, they're gonna say you're not supposed to wear Kobe's as casual wear. And I say the same thing all the time. Wear what you want to wear. If you spend your money on it, wear what you want to wear. Is it going on your foot? Don't tell nobody you can't wear something because it's strictly a basketball shoe. Whatever. Anyway, let me get this ad off. All right. This iteration boosts a vivid orange, total orange, metallic silver, and cosmic clay color palette. The upper covers in a bright orange, features the signature texture scales inspired by Kobe's Mamba mentality. Sorry if the camera's kind of shaking a little teeny bit. I'm holding with like 2 of my fingers. Hold up. That's good? Still shaking a little bit? All right. A semi-translucent rubber sole completes the shoe with a dramatic finish, ensuring style meets performance. Designed with Nike's Protro performance retro technology, the Kobe 6 Protro emphasizes modern upgrades while preserving its iconic look. Enhanced cushioning, improved support, and exceptional responsiveness make it a top choice for athletes. Whether for intense basketball games or everyday wear, the shoe delivers comfort and durability. The Nike Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange will release on July 18th. So, little bit under a month away, because I think it's like right now it's like June 23rd or something like that. So a little under a month. Early review. The Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange represents the perfect balance of performance and bold design, embodying the Mamba mentality. Be ready to secure your pair and celebrate Kobe's legacy and style this summer 2025. All right, and the retail price is $190, but we already knew that. I think only like a couple of the Kobe's was like $210 or something like that. But yeah, there was some more images of it. I'm gonna be real with you. I really don't need this shoe, and I'm gonna tell you why. I have the LeBron 8 Big Bangs. Was they the 8 or was they the 10s? I forgot what number they was. But I had those bright. All right, turn it off. I had those bright All-Star LeBrons. That's this same color orange. I don't even feel like getting up and getting in the other room. But technically, I don't need the shoe because I got 2 orange shoes. But I'm getting this. I'm getting this. You can probably see all my Kobe's over there. I got rid of like 10 pairs of Kobe's. I got rid of Kobe's that I really knew for a fact I wasn't going to wear anytime soon. Like, I got rid of all those generic Kobe's. Even when they came out with the college ones, like the navy blue ones, the red ones, the Laker home and away one. I got rid of those. I got rid of those generic ones, but I kept like the All-Stars. I got both my Grinches. I got all the Kobe GGs. So some Kobe's that I for a fact keep, but these, oh yeah, I'm getting. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange. Is this a cop or drop? Obviously, it's a cop for me. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my secret Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.